Hey, my friends, welcome back to the channel and Happy New Year. 2026 is the perfect opportunity to start having a discussion about things outside of fashion and beauty. Don't get me wrong, those are my favorites, but as we mature, we need to have conversations about products and things that could keep us happy and healthier in our own home. For example, I didn't know that I needed a mattress vacuum until I got a mattress vacuum. So I'd like to thank the team at Feppo for reaching out to me to ask me to review this wonderful product. If you're not familiar with mattress vacuums, don't worry. I wasn't either until recently. But once I tried the Feppo mattress vacuum, I realized I was doing myself a disservice because I suffer from allergies. My husband suffers from allergies. We have two dogs, and there's a lot of things that get trapped in our mattress that we simply do not remove. And so, this is a great opportunity to test this out with you. Let's do it. The Feppo mattress vacuum really made sense to me because I got to thinking, when was the last time that I really did a deep clean on our mattress? We change our sheets, we change our bed linen, we even clean our mattress pad. However, I cannot think of the last time I really vacuumed the mattress. This little vacuum packs a lot. It has a UVC light, it has HEPA filtration, it has ultrasonic technology and deep suctioning. You are really going to be amazed with what the results that you get with this little vacuum. So if you have pets in your home, if you have allergies, you're really going to want to check this one out. And I'm going to have a special savings code for you at the end. So be sure to stay to the end. So this is the mattress vacuum. It has a 500-watt motor. It has a UVC light with ultrasonic waves. It also has a HEPA filter and 140-degree heat drying to reduce moisture and odors. So this is an easy handheld design that's going to be perfect for using on your bed as well as your couches and even upholstery. Okay, guys, so right out of the box, she is really lightweight. I am able to lift her with one hand, and I have a shoulder problem, so that says a lot about how lightweight she is. I'm going to turn her to the back here, and you're going to see lights here, 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 and here, and they have different functions. So let's go. One touch, turn on. Hey guys, I want you to see just some of the dirt that I was able to extract from the mattress using our new vacuum. There's some on this part of the vacuum and there's some on the other part of the vacuum. So just imagine if I had done both sides and the sheets and the blanket and the pillows, it would be quite dirty at this point. So I'm quite impressed with what I was able to get out in just that short amount of time. So guys, that is it. I am so impressed with the results that I got from the Feppo Mattress Vacuum. So when you're ready to take your house cleaning to the next level, especially with your mattress, with all of the dead skin cells and dust and hair, this little guy is worth your time. Be sure to check out my special savings code so you can get one in your home today. This makes the perfect gift for your home for cleaning at the beginning of the year, spring cleaning, and Mother's Day is coming up. So make sure you get one of these for your home or gift someone else that you love.